So I'm installing this Opt7 LED kit, putting on the RAM. It was a spare one. I actually use a 1-inch, 12-inch extension. So right now, I got this 48-inch LED bar, and I had to put double-sided tape. Right now, we're gonna run it through the firewall here, up through there, and I decided where I'm gonna put this. But there's options, and I got it tapped into here. Right there, it's a 15 amp fuse. It's constant. The negative, the battery. So I've got underneath there, if you can see it. And it's underneath there. Doesn't go all the way because it's only 48 inches. And I got it underneath the tailgate. Really can't see it, but take a look for now. See how it looks. So here's the remote. So it's underneath there. I couldn't find anywhere to put it, but that'll do. Let me say it a little bit. It'd be better at nighttime. You can see it a little bit there, and then this will be lit up. All right.